Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I have been using the Sony WH-1000XM3 for a while now, which is not the latest headphone by Sony, and there are better choices available such as the XM4 or the AirPod Pro. So why did I go with the XM3? And that's why in today's video, I'll be going over my experience with using the XM3 and if you should still purchase it in 2021. Let's dive in. XM3 comes with a carrying case that is dark gray in color and uses a cloth-like material that makes it easier to hold. And moving on to the headphone itself, which is a matte black color and doesn't pick up fingerprints as easily. And located on top part of the headband is a foam-like cushion that makes wearing this headphone more comfortable for your head. And the ear cuff is large enough to cover my ear so it doesn't feel like it is squeezing my ear. And on the outside of the ear cuff are the two buttons, which is power and active noise cancelling. And beside it is the headphone jack. And on the right side of the headphone there is a USB-C port for charging. To get the most out of this headphone, you'll need to download the Sony app from the App Store, which will allow you to sync and customize the headphone to your liking. When you open the app, the home screen will display the status of the headphone and the battery percentage and currently playing music. Feature like adaptive sound control will automatically detect what you are doing and adapt the noise cancelling to your action and your surroundings. So there are 4 actions: staying, walking, running, and transport. Another really useful feature is sound quality mode, which allows you to prioritize sound quality over stable connection or vice versa. I found the connection was interrupted when I selected sound quality over stable connection, and the sound was not as crisp when I choose stable connection over sound quality. And it is highly recommended for you to play with the setting on this app to get more out of this headphone. Sound quality are really good. The bass are deep and crisp. The active noise cancellation does a really good job of removing ambient noise and it makes listening to music much more enjoyable. And watching video on the XM3 is great as well. There's no delay with the Bluetooth audio and lip sync matches perfectly. And voice call are clear and I did not get any complaint about my voice cutting out. And good news for those who want to use the headphone jack, which is available, and a cable is included in the box, but you will lose features like active noise cancellation. Here's what I like about the XM3. Matte black color looks sleek and doesn't pick up fingerprints as easily. 20 plus hours of battery life and a reminder when they're 30% or less. Sound is full, rich, and deep bass. Noise cancellation is good and auto adjusts to your environment. Plenty of customizable settings and features through the app. Physical button for active noise cancellation, which can also be reprogrammed as a Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa button. Included case for protecting your headphone. Support for headphone jack. Excellent quality. Comfortable to wear for a long period of time. Here's what I did not like about the XM3. Scratches shows up easily. Range is weak after about 15 feet away from the device. Touch control is not responsive. Headphone does not detect when you take it off, so videos or music are not paused. No active noise cancellation when using the headphone jack. With the newer XM4 out, the XM3 is outdated and missing features such as Bluetooth 5 and pausing music when headphones taken off, but it also means the XM3 is more likely to be on sale. And if you can find the XM3 on sale, then it'll make an excellent feature-packed headphone that offers great sound quality and comfort. That concludes the video. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. If this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment below. See you next time!